I'm sliding. I can stop laughing. 皆さん、こんにちは。Rachelle です。
Risa です。
We will be having a makeup vlog. This morning, I just put on foundation and sunscreen, also eyebrows and lipstick and eyeshadow. So I'm looking forward for Risa's makeover for me. 楽しみにしています。
First, cleansing and do skincare.
Yeah, skincare session. So good.
Skincare and the makeup.
Okay, so we will now do the cleansing first. So we're back and I just finished cleansing with Risa. So right now I don't have any makeup on my face. So what is the next step, Risa?
Okay, so we're gonna use the lotion and serum and emulsion. That's it. Let's start. First, the lotion.
I really love to do skincare every day.
いつも何使ってんの?
It's
What product do you usually use?
I just started using Albion.
Albion.
Albion, yeah. My Japanese friend recommended Albion to me.
Mhm.
Oh, it feels so good, Risa. What is this?
Serum.
A serum.
気持ちいい。
Kimochi.
これは emulsion.
あ、いい匂いです。
いいよね。
This is emulsion.
The moisture, the most important.
Ah, moisture for the skin. Yeah, because without moisturizer, the skin feels dry. Hey, look at my skin, guys. I'll take a closer look.
Okay, this is the finish, the skincare. The next, so makeup. Okay, so we're gonna use the UV cream. これはSPF 50.
Ah, 50 の方がいいでしょ。
そうそうそう。50 ね。
Can I go out like this? Hey, Risa, makeup is really important here in Japan for Japanese girls.
Not Philippines.
そうそうそう。
いやみんなね、その顔がさ綺麗じゃん。綺麗。そうマガンダ。みんなマガンダ。
わあ、ありがと
そう、don't need to make up.
う。わあ。
Next,
Yeah,
the
Risa.
base.
Oh, what's this?
Base cream.
Ah, base cream. Oh, first time for me to use base cream.
Oh, really?
I'm not so good at makeup. In the Philippines, I just use only sunscreen. But ever since I came here in Japan, I realized that I should learn more about makeup too. Sorry, I couldn't stop smiling. Wow! My skin is glowing!
Okay, next. Foundation, liquid foundation. これはオーディナル3クリームでは
はい。
そのsunscreen
Yeah.
and the base cream and the foundation, liquid foundation.
Yeah.
So, as usual, the makeup too much.
Yeah. Like very thick
あ、
makeup.
そう。
right?
But, this time,
Yeah.
no.
Oh, よかった. I'm so happy because I can learn a lot of Japanese words from you, Risa. They say that a language is more fun to learn if you're just having a conversation. The show? Diba?
That's it.
Wow! Who are you? I like this look, Risa.
Yeah, thank
Even
you.
just this. Oh, I can go out like this.
コンシーラーね。ちょっとこのクマとか。
Below the eye.
You don't usually sleep well, diba? Eye bags.
Eye bags, これ。本当に like recently, I usually just have 3 hours.
3 hours.
Yo.
Oh, great.
This is super not me.
Next, the powder ね。
Powder.
パウダーもめっちゃ大事。
あ、本当に。
汗かいても、メイクが落ちない。Usually, the people put the powder like pom 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 pom.
Yeah, でしょ?
But it's better this.
I didn't know. Not pom pom pom.
Not pom pom. そうそうそう。こういう感じで、like this.
Push.
Three creams, concealer and powder ね。But natural.
Natural. いや、本当に。
Makeup.
It doesn't look like you use 3 creams. It looks like you just use only 1 cream. Simple and natural.
最初に、アイシャドウ。
あ、アイシャドウ。Liquid eyeshadow? 初めて。
これすごいいい。かわいい。で、これもちょっと下にも。
It looks like I slept for 8 hours. They will not know that I don't have any sleep today. すごい。
次は、次、eyebrow.
Yay! My favorite part.
The best balance.
Yeah.
The eyebrow.
いや、知りたい。
この鼻の脇がここでスタートポイント。ここからでeyebrow のここでthe end は鼻こことthe end of eyes.
Yeah, you're right.
大丈夫？
ジョーク。
もうやめてね、ちょっと。マジと思っちゃったじゃん。
Yeah, better.
Okay.
Super okay.
次は次ライン、アイライン。
First time for me.
で、次チーク。チークは笑ってやすやす。なんか上の方、上だと結構it looks like younger.
I want that. I wanna look like 18.
で、最後じゃない。次、リップスね。で、18がいいんだよね。
18です。
ワンポイント、ハイライト。そうすると。
I can't see Rachel anymore. That's why it's important.
Yes.
Like なんだっけ、natural lighting みたいな。
そう。すごくないこれ。
すごい。So guys, don't forget highlight is so important for your makeup routine.
Just finished!
Yay! So this is the look, guys. I'm so happy because it looks natural. Yeah, when I came here, at first I looked so tired and haggard. But this looks so fresh and all the makeups that you use look so good on my face. Arigato! So guys, we're going to cook. What are you going to cook today, Risa? Oh my gosh, do you know that is my favorite food?
And soy milk.
Soy milk. Oh, I love mushrooms too.
The fresh cream.
I love your nails, Risa. Kawaii.
Thank you po.
Walang anuman po.
で、これは何？フラワー？
Yeah, flour.
適当。
What's next, Risa?
Salt and pepper.
Okay.
consomme.
Consomme.
Consomme. Okay, finished. So we gonna wait moment. Finish open.
Oh my gosh! It looks so delicious! I cannot wait! So Risa finished cooking her special routine! Rachelle left. Oh, she's so guys, while we are eating our early dinner,
Early dinner?
while we're eating our early dinner, we will be having a Q&A.
はい、Q&A。
Yes.
待って今こうやっちゃった。
こう言っちゃったなんで。
暑くてこう。They're like fun.
I had the questions from my Filipino friends.
Yes.
I asked them what questions do they want to ask Risa and itadakimasu. And itadakimasu. Okay, question number 1.
That's
I
already.
forgot, so it's here. Okay, so question number 1, Risa, do you like traveling?
Yes. I love traveling.
Oh, she loves traveling. So that follows my second question.
Yes.
Second question number 2. Alright, question number 2. Of all the countries you have visited before, which do you like the best?
The best.
Yes.
I can't decide it. The best. But my favorite country is Australia.
Oh, Australia.
I went abroad
Mhm.
to Melbourne for a month when I was university student. That's why I chose the country.
I want to go to Australia too someday, Risa. Yeah.
一緒行く？
一緒行く？一緒行く？ Okay, so question number 3. What do you like about the Philippines, Risa?
何でも好きだけど、people。なんだろう、エナジェティック。
元気。
元気だし、あと、なんだろう。
If you like this video, please like
and subscribe.
and we'll see you
Next
next
time.
time. Bye.